Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this firework finger filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Let's make a heart. Okay, so this is the effect. Let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect you can go to create. Okay, and look for this. You will get this effect here. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect from here, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app, and if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. Okay, like this, you will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.